Is there a keyboard shortcut to unselect in Windows Explorer? If I've got a file, or files, selected in Windows Explorer, the only way I found to unselect them is click with the mouse on some empty space. I thought Escape would do this, but it doesn't. Also, changing focus with Tab or Shift plus Tab doesn't work. The files are still selected even if focus goes to the address bar, for instance. Does anyone know of a keyboard shortcut to do this?
You can use Ctrl plus arrow to move among selected items. Ctrl plus space will select / deselect. Space alone will select but not deselect.
I also found another quick solution. Pressing F5 will refresh the folder and deselect single or multiple items.
Pulling from the other solutions here, the method that works every time is Ctrl plus A then F5. You can sort of roll your hand up the keyboard to do this. Even though it's an extra step over just Ctrl plus spacebar when deselecting one item or just F5 when more than one item is selected, the consistency in not having to think each time will save time in the long run, I think. Note, if you are pressing F5, then it makes no difference whether you press Ctrl A first or don't. Ctrl A is select all, F5 is refresh. Therefore, if F5 is acceptable for the functionality you're looking for, there is no benefit to pressing Ctrl A prior.
As far as I know, there isn't a keyboard shortcut for invert selection in Windows Explorer, and unfortunately Select All doesn't toggle the selection. So if you really want an all keyboard solution, Ctrl plus A, Alt plus E, I. If you're used to Emacs multi-key bindings, then this shouldn't bother you. Smile.
If you want to support our channel, please hit the subscribe button.